Here we have 500 tons of sugar. We've seen some East African cables that were also counterfeited. And the war on counterfeits is now going to be extremely reinforced to make sure that we enable people who have invested in their goods to continue to do that. We want support of everybody, and after this we have identified through intelligence some containers that are also we believe containing some counterfeit goods. We will be opening it before they get even cleared. And so the customs colleagues, the counterfeits people who are here, I just want to say a great job. Let's continue to reinforce our activities to make sure we protect our industries here in this country. And I like this issue of counterfeits to be on the agenda of the stakeholder meetings that are happening every Friday, so that we can deal with this appropriately. There are a lot of other entry points that we see goods coming through. We will reinforce each of those places, but this is the main entry point. And we would work with all the authorities that are here to make sure that we open up containers on a random basis. There will be some inconvenience initially. I just want to appeal to our port users who have been used to, faster clearance, now to understand that as we check for some of these counterfeits, that inconvenience is not going to be permanent. Everybody should bear with us, and you will be able to see some of the impacts that we are going to have by stopping this menace that is coming to our country and destroying our business.